Hey everyone, and welcome back. I hope you're all having an amazing February and a great start to 2026. I know I say this at the beginning of every video, but I can't believe how quickly time is going and how quickly this year has gone already. Like, I can't already believe that we are in February. So I thought in today's video I would do something slightly different to some of my content that I've been posting recently, but I figured that I would do a bit of a tutorial on how to kind of elevate your stories on Instagram. I feel like these days there are so many things behind paywalls, and for so many basic things like for simply creating collages in stories or putting together some professional looking stories and really just kind of giving it that elevated professional effect rather than just using Instagram itself to create them. And I figured in this tutorial today I would show you how you can actually create some collages or photo collages in your stories and elevate them a little bit for free. Now, especially if you're like me and you're a freelancer, maybe you're a freelance creative, maybe you're a freelance business owner, and maybe you want to show artworks and things like that regularly, and you want that to be nicely compilated into your stories, not just the really basic templates that Instagram offers, and actually just kind of elevating things like I said before. But before we get started today, I should probably introduce myself. So for those of you who are new here, my name is Kaylee and I'm a beauty and fashion photographer based near Sydney, Australia. However, I'm also a content creator and I started this channel quite a few years ago now to talk about all things business, social media, freelancing, and content creation. I've also started to lean into lifestyle and personal finance a little bit on this channel, and to be honest, there's a lot of things that I like to talk about on here. But I am really happy to announce that today's video is actually sponsored by Picsart. Now, if you have been watching my videos for a while, you'll know that I talk about Picsart very regularly, and it's one of my favorite platforms out there. For today's tutorial, I am going to be utilizing Picsart, and for those of you who haven't heard of Picsart before, it is an online design platform with plenty of helpful AI features. So you can pretty much design anything you like through Picsart, whether it's branded invoices, planners, website banners, party invitations, virtually anything you need, you can make through Picsart. I also find the platform especially useful for small business owners like myself. I am a freelancer. I have to do all of my marketing materials myself on a weekly basis. So, you know, there's so many things for social media, websites, branding that I need to have regularly. And as I've mentioned before in many of my videos, I am not a graphic designer and I don't consider myself amazing with creating things from scratch when it comes to marketing materials. So having a platform like Picsart where I can choose from the thousands of templates that they offer for anything really, but particularly social media and branding, is a really, really helpful aspect. Now, as I said, we will be utilizing Picsart for this tutorial today. So if you haven't tried it out before, make sure to click the link in the description box below. You can also go ahead and use the code KayleePro for 10% off a yearly pro subscription. So now we're gonna get straight into Picsart and I'm gonna show you how you can elevate your Instagram stories and create photo collages. Let's get into it. Okay, so I'm now on the Picsart homepage and I'm going to show you how you can create a photo collage and really start to elevate your stories on Instagram. For those of you who don't know, Picsart actually have a fully free version that you can use. So there's so many templates and elements on here that are completely free, which is amazing. They do also have a pro version as well that you can pay for. So you can see here on the homepage, it says choose a size, and there's lots of different social media sites and different sites that you can create content for. What we're going to pick though is Instagram, of course, and we're actually going to click on the story dimensions. Now you can use lots of different templates here and you can see that there's like a drop down menu here. You can actually specifically say Instagram story to search for templates. If we scroll down, there's a few different templates here that could work. I mean, you can absolutely do something from scratch as well and just add a bunch of images into this particular space. And keeping in mind too that there is a phone app with Picsart too, so you can easily do this on your phone as well. But let's go to trendy and just have a little look at some of the templates in here because this is kind of cute. So let's try and do something really simple first. So even for something like this would be great for travel content creators, just to have a simple collage of photos, even something like this one here as well. This one's really cute. But I also love the Polaroid style as well. I think that this just adds a little bit more like interest into what you're doing. I actually love this one as well here. I've just totally missed this one, but I think that this could really work too. So let's use this one first just to give you an example of what you can create on Picsart when it comes to stories and photo collages. So if we go up to uploads, I'm actually going to upload a few images, and I'm going to mainly stick to travel content creation because this is where I always struggle to find, you know, layouts and things like that for my Instagram and TikTok associated with my travel brand Wonder Walkers that I have with my partner. So I'm always struggling to find like good templates and things like that to use. So I'm just gonna upload some images and I'm gonna upload these ones here. I'm just gonna upload a bunch of them. And these are some of the images I actually took a couple of years ago with Dan when we were actually on a collab with Apollo Motorhomes, and we went on an amazing content trip with them, took lots of different photos and videos, and I have still not posted all of them to this day. Like there were so many that we took in Tasmania. That was where we went, and it was just like the best trip. So amazing. I loved every minute of it, and just van life is just honestly the best. So looking at some of these photos, let's kind of like see how some of these look once we put them into the grid here. And I might even just put this one in the middle. And you can double click to kind of move them around a little bit more. I might replace that one with maybe this one instead. That's kind of cool. And then maybe for the third one down here, let's choose maybe this one here. I'll just move that up a little bit. Might actually have to move it down a little bit just so we can see the mountains. And then I'm going to change the background image. So this is going to obviously make a huge difference here, but I'll use mainly a landscape one just to kind of fill in. And you can adjust the layers just by clicking over here. And I'm going to move that down in front of the bottom image. And we're just going to stretch this one out. So yeah, that's just a really cute way that you can do your travel imagery. You can do any imagery really and collage it. So I'm actually going to change that background image though. This is just going to be me being like super picky at this point. I just feel like sometimes I'm way too much of a perfectionist and I just need to let it go sometimes, you know. But I'm going to put this one actually instead at the bottom. And I actually really like how that looks. But I might even see if I can move this one here. I mean, I feel like a lot of them will work together, but yeah, this is just one example of how you can kind of be creative with your stories. This is one example of a photo collage. Let's maybe try one of the other templates and I can show you how that looks. So let's change the template to maybe something like what we originally said, this one here, and we'll replace the current page. Go to uploads and let's choose a few more images. So there's so many configurations of how we could do this. We'll maybe put a landscape image in there. Maybe a van one as well. Like, I just love how this looks. I feel like it's so much cuter than just having a simple story. And I think, like I said, this really kind of elevates your work a little bit and is a little bit more eye-catching, especially for if you're a content creator like me and you really want to appeal to brands and brands see your stories, it happens. So I really like the idea of doing this. Let's even maybe just replace that one with that one there. Or I could replace that with this one. Or I could replace it with this one. And move that across a little bit. So there's another example of using one of the templates on Picsart to create a photo collage. And let's try one more and I'll show you kind of like what the Polaroid one looks like as well, because I really love the idea of having like a little Polaroid snapshot one. I love this so much. And let's move in a few images. So it's really just a drag and drop motion, which is so easy. I just think this is such a cute and creative way, especially if you're like a travel content creator, of putting some of your images together, but really it could be any type of content creator, to be honest. Oh, it's giving me so much nostalgia to just go back to Tassie and do a whole other trip there at the moment. But yeah, this is just a really simple way you can utilize Picsart to start making some photo collages. You can either use the templates that they have on offer, which there are literally hundreds and hundreds of them, or you can simply just start from scratch and piece your images together. And then simply you would just export and then say download, and then rename your project, and usually you would download it as a JPEG and then simply download. So that's how easy it is to actually just elevate your stories a little bit more instead of just having a simple one image story or cutting it off and kind of having that gap which Instagram kind of half colors in. I don't know how they do it, but it doesn't always look like the best. So I think if you want like a slightly more professional way of doing things, this is a really, really good option for that. Well, thank you so much for watching this video today. And if you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel already, make sure you do, because I'll be posting a lot more videos like this one in future. Let me know down in the comment section below if you're looking at switching up your branding this year, if you're a small business owner or a freelancer, or if you've given Picsart a try. Definitely let me know your thoughts and opinions down in the comment section below too. And a quick reminder that if you're interested in trying out Picsart, make sure to click the link in the description box below and use the code KayleighPro for 10% off a yearly pro subscription. Make sure to also click the notification bell to see all the updates from my channel in future. Otherwise, I'm going to be leaving this video here today, and I hope you all have a wonderful week. Thank you so much for watching as always, and I'll see you in the next video.